Welcome to this DelfStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to find a Shein item code. A Shein item code is a unique identifier assigned to each product. It can help you quickly search for the same item, share it with others, and contact customer support about a specific product. To find the code, start by opening the Shein app or visiting the Shein website and navigating to the product you are interested in. Let's say I'm interested in this product. From here, scroll down until you find the description section. Click on description. You will see the full product description, including material composition and other details. The item code is often listed in this section and may appear as an item ID or product code. You can copy this code and paste it into the Shein search bar to quickly find the same product again or share it with someone else. And that's it. We just learned how to find a Shein item code by checking the product page details at the Shein app or website. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelfStack tutorial videos.